I'm so sorry. I have not been sleeping well for the past 2 3 days, and that is why I'm yawning. I know it is disturbing, but yawning is not good. We must have a good sleeping pattern. Here's a research that I would like to share with all of you. If people do not get enough sleep, then they could fall sick more often. This in turn is not good for health. It is better to have a good sleeping pattern. Just like how food and water is important, sleeping is also important. Sleep is important for a fresh mind, rest, overall physical well being, and various other reasons. If you miss on sleeping properly, you will be unable to work. It is very important. Let me now tell you 6 benefits of sleeping properly. Following a fixed sleeping pattern has benefits like falling sick less often and staying protected, be neither fat nor thin, maintain the body weight, risk of heart attack, diabetes, high blood pressure, low blood pressure, etc. can be reduced with a good sleeping pattern. Lowers stress levels, develop a happy mood and a good emotional well-being with 8 hours of sleep. Better focus on work and you can achieve tasks faster. If you do not sleep well, you cannot focus on your work. You will be yawning, feeling sleepy, and not complete your task. These are the 6 benefits of proper sleep. I will now give you some tips for better sleep that will keep the problems away. It's important for people to know that waking up during sunrise, having lunch in the afternoon, and going to bed after sunset will keep the body's natural clock healthy. Using devices like TV, mobile, iPad, computer, etc. at night can trick your body to think it is daytime because of the bright light it emits. Just like how the daylight keeps you wide awake, light from the mobile will also keep you awake. Just when your body is ready to sleep after sunset, the bright light will confuse it. It is better to keep these devices away and reduce the brightness to make it look like it is dark. You will then automatically get deep sleep. ISH News had released a video on whether caffeine is a friend or enemy. Click on the link below to watch it in case you missed it. Drinking coffee helps us to stay awake and it is consumed by many. Do not drink coffee at night. If you do so, you will be awake for 8 hours and will not be able to sleep at night. It is advised to drink coffee before 4 p.m. and not after that. Complete your work, eat and have tea if needed and sleep on time. People love to consume alcohol at night and get a high. After getting high, some people fall asleep, but some become very active and some stay and cannot sleep. When people sleep on time naturally, the brain produces this hormone. This regulates brain function, relaxes your body and promotes deep sleep. Drinking reduces the hormone secretion, keeping us awake. The hormone reduces and fails to do its work of making us asleep, keeping us wide awake. Better stay away from alcohol for a better sleep. People have the habit of eating late at night at 9 pm, 10 pm, 11 pm or 12. This is not good because if you eat at say 10 or 11 pm, then you will not be able to sleep as your stomach will be full. You will stay up late. It's better to eat by 6 pm or 7 pm so that the food is digested by 8 pm and you will automatically fall asleep for long. Before going to sleep, take a hot bath. Listen to music to relax, read books or meditate to quickly fall asleep and get deep sleep. Some people take short naps in the afternoon, which is good. Taking a 10 to 15 minute nap during the day is good. But some people sleep for 2 to 4 hours, which is not good. As your body could confuse it with nighttime and you may end up sleeping for long. Upon waking up, your body will get confused and you end up staying awake. It is better to take short naps in the afternoon for a good 8-hour sleep at night and better sleeping pattern. If you have a long nap, your body may get confused because of the irregular sleep timings. Drinking a lot of water after dinner can cause restlessness, forcing the body to stay awake, and excessive urination. Drink water after dinner and go to sleep after 2 hours. Ensure to go to the bathroom before sleeping to get deep sleep. These were the 8 tips to stay away from sleep-related problems and 6 benefits of following a sleep pattern. I hope you all understand. Do give it a try.